anyakobokwanekia ukuigurwa gwa container ya amatemu a KPSEA ayu abange bamaitemu na Kenya Primary Schools Education Assessment ayanyakabago chakari kuri rero abarokigwa emillion monuguta ibereni go baikaransa amatemu ayu achinsemo chingaki oburendi bwabiri bokubekwa korwa ase chinseme cyumwenchiremo yakwanekinga abarokigwa ngo kibari konyora chinga chinyoro eligokora amatemu Itko lia rero nigo aborokigwa emillion monuguta isatu kurwa asensemeli ya Kenya Primary School Education Assessment wese KPSEA banyakabo ikaransa amatemu abo amanene kurwa achinsemo imene isko yoronguro gusi.
The NEC has added as one more container. We are going to have a total of 14 containers within the county.
Mambia rero nigo omuwaziri weseni Muske Julius Ogamba Migosi anyakaba okwanekia okuigurwa gwe container ya amatemu ayenyakaba ochakali tukulia rero nagotemuna niga serikali ebegetemero bulisene yokwanekinga abarokigwa abayigango kibari konyora oburendi boisaine.
We are all ready. The hotspot areas have been mapped. We are ready to undertake these examinations, including areas that have had skirmishes like in Tana River. We managed to make arrangements for the students who are from the affected schools to be hosted in security camps like the GSU camp for them to be able to undertake the examination. So no student is going to be left behind.
Murikyo botambe ase wizara yitseni Muskebelio Kipsang nigo nerabo igo nyakobo kwanekia okuigurwa gwe container ya matemu emambia rero asaberika otamna niga serikali ebegetemero bulisene yogo chiago kinia ebirengo bya amasomo nagotamna nigo barachie kurigereria kwanekinga matemu aiga abirika okorwa asenchira yekene nobwasyoku.
As teachers, whether we shall be objective or that we could have been, there was possibility that we could be subjective in the way that we are going to assess our children. But the last two summative assessments that we have done, in comparison with the school-based assessment, the formative assessment that you did, there was quite, it was reflective. The abilities of children were reflective. And therefore, we say thank you. And that's why going forward, we would want to make this really a school-based, a school and teacher-based management of this summative 40% assessment.
Kurwa ase chinsemo imense ya Kenya ni gobo igo egati yabateneri amatemo iga akipsea abanyakaba konekia okuigurwa gwe container asibabiro otamna ni koborendi bwabiri bokwanekigwa boisaine elikonekinga aborokigwa abayigango kibari konyora chinga kichinyororo eliko ikaransa asamatemo abo asenchira yabene.
Our candidates are ready, our center managers are ready, and the teachers are also ready, and we do not have any cheating. This is an assessment, so we want to see how much the learner has achieved.
We are working together with all the agencies to make sure that the exams are delivered and they are credible as the government has planned. And we are sure that the exams are going to be credible. Nobody has an intention or making any attempt to, make the discredit the exam. So we ask the parents, teachers, everybody and all the stakeholders that we join hands to make sure that the exams are
abangeni go baganiria aborokigwonsi bari abagendrete amana matemo abamane yakirasige 12 KPSEA na dia achakarit kolia rero a Kenya Primary School Education Assessment amaya mnenchire mo yakone kinga babiri baukinia ebirengo bya amasomo.
Otherwise, we wish our candidates the best of luck as they continue with the exams, and we also ask our members of public to help us deliver